So today I wanted to talk about walls, but not these walls. Want to talk about walls that you wind up creating and building around your heart. And it's very difficult because um, you probably have experienced different heartaches in your life, whether it's from friendships or family or um, a partner. And it's so easy to go ahead and build those walls. Um, it's a self defense mechanism, right? Um, but it's important to start realizing that those walls are keeping other people out. And it's keeping you within. So it would benefit you and the other people around you if you could let those walls down. And it's not an easy thing to do. So much of it has to do with trust and feeling safe. But it's something that when you find the right people who can be patient and understand where you're coming from, that you can start letting those walls down and you can start living once again. So, um, on this journey that I've been on, that some of you know of, just having finished up my divorce a couple weeks ago, it's been an opportunity for me to heal. It's been an opportunity for me to face those difficulties, um, those scars, and work through that. So, um, I'm now looking forward to the future and knowing that I have taken the time and that God has been with me, um, and isolated me at times in order to figure out how I can heal and love myself first so that I can love others as well. And yeah, it's been good. um, yeah, it's been really good, and I now am able to value myself and know that I'm worthy. And 2 years ago, it was a completely different story. I felt beaten down and didn't have much, if any, self worth at all. And so it's feeling so good that I have been building this confidence in myself and that I now have a much more positive outlook on life, and um, I'm looking forward to opportunities that may come my way and trying new things, um, not taking life so seriously, and yeah, it's gonna be good. So, I just want to let you know, take that time for yourself. And it's not easy to work through. And it's going to feel like it's stretching on forever. But that's that's okay. You'll get to a point where you begin to see that you have healed, and that you're ready to open your heart again. So, yeah, I wish you the best, and take care, because we got this.